In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Cumberland Building Society in 2025. Opening an account online can be a convenient and efficient way to handle your banking needs, so let's walk through the process together to ensure you have a smooth experience. First and foremost, it's important to determine if you're eligible to open a checking account with Cumberland Building Society. To qualify, you need to be at least 18 years old, a resident of the UK, and possess a valid photo ID such as a passport or driving license. Additionally, if you're interested in the Cumberland Plus account, be aware that it requires a minimum monthly funding of $750. Ensuring you meet these criteria is the initial step towards opening an account. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to choose the type of account that best suits your needs. Cumberland offers a variety of options. The Cumberland Plus is a standard account that comes with a monthly funding requirement if you're an apprentice. The Freedom Apprentice account may be more appropriate for young individuals aged 13 to 23 who are in full-time education. The day-to-day account is tailored specifically for their needs. Carefully consider each account's features to select the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. After deciding on your account type, you can proceed to apply online. Head over to the Cumberland Current Accounts page on their official website. Here, you'll find detailed descriptions of each account and a convenient option to apply online. Clicking on the Apply Online button for your chosen account will take you to the application form. Filling out the application form is straightforward but requires attention to detail. You'll need to provide personal information such as your name, address, and contact details. Be sure to have your identification documents ready to upload as they are a crucial part of the verification process. Take your time to review the information entered to avoid any errors which could delay the processing of your application. Once you've completed the application form and uploaded your ID documents, the final step is to submit your application. After submission, Cumberland Building Society will review your application and contact you with the next steps. If approved, your new account details and access information will be provided, allowing you to start managing your funds and take advantage of the benefits offered by your chosen account type. And there you have it. Opening a checking account online with Cumberland Building Society in 25 is a simple process when you follow these steps. Remember to check your eligibility, choose the right account, apply online, and submit your completed application. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy banking!